So I made some mulch, compost, whatever you want to call it. If you can tell, these are from the Christmas tree. Still nice, fresh and green. These are from sugarcane leaves and regular leaves. And I did this with a lawnmower. Welcome back to another video, guys, on Nail It Projects. If this is your first time, please bear with me and watch the video all the way through. Please, I'm begging you. You can skip, if you think it's not interesting, but just go to the end. That's where the fun part's always at, for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah. In my effort to make amazing soil, this is what I'm doing. All these organic stuff, I'm just, doing it up. I have these old okra trees in here, and this was about 4 inches higher 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna add more to it as I go. And I still have these old corn and all this green matter while I am reorganizing these beds. So, welcome to the channel. Please stay if you enjoy what you're seeing. At the end, hit a thumbs up, shoot me a comment, let me know what to do better, what to try. I'm all ears. All right, so let's jump into this video. Chop, chop. Once that is done, I'll get back over there on them raised beds. So it seems to be working out well so far, except for my back. Ooh, man. But hey, we have our browns and our dark browns, but not enough green. So I'm gonna dump these back in here, hit them again, mulch them up, and I'll get with one of the landscape guys that come through our shop and see if they can bring me some greens, because it's Florida. They're still cutting grass out there, still trimming trees with leaves on them. So just need to get that mixed in here. And this is my experiment for next year, for 2027. Yes, God's willing. Yes, I'll get the old wooden mulch that they throw away, cardboard, as much green as I can, get some nitrogen in there, and trying to figure out what should I mix into it to help the plants just flourish. But this mix is what's going in these 4 beds. And if you remember last video, number 5 is going away, so I can get enough room to spread out 4 to where I can get the lawnmower to go in between them. Because some people in between the beds, I prefer not to. I don't know, just my preference. But yeah, that mix is for these beds. To see what, you know, what the outcome is. Horse manure, dirt, and other household yard waste in here. This you couldn't see. Yeah, all that stuff is in here with cardboard and all that. This is some old dirt from a pot outside the house, but below it is about 5 boxes of eggshells and about a pound of coffee grounds. Them people in the house drink a lot of coffee. I do sometimes, but I limit it. That stuff dries you out. But these pumpkins are still fighting to come up. I'm surprised. So I think what if I put stuff in here, I'm just gonna put it around it and not on top of it, and see if they actually grow and produce something. But yeah, mix along with the Vigro is going in these beds. The dirt from my dirt pile way out yonder with the stay green for these beds, and stay green with these. Oh, let me step back. The dirt that is in these boxes mixed with Vigro and my newly found mulch is going in here. It's going to go in these beds. Stay green and dirt from the pile in the back with cardboard. These bags are cardboard, crushed cardboard, for these beds and the previous ones I had. All right, and then more Vigro and what's in that compost box go in these beds in the greenhouse. I'm just experimenting. I'm gonna document everything, see what works. So results that I love, I will keep and just keep going from there. But I have spoken enough. It is 4 minutes in. Let me go get ready because I work all week. They give me a day off, which I don't like, but we gotta look out for each other. Somebody needs a day off, so they switched mine. But hey, back to composting and these beds.
Several days later.
Last video, we stopped because we needed stuff to fill the bottom of the beds, so we weren't going to put that much dirt in there. Well, guess what? I used my lawnmower and made me some mulch / compost, if you will. All the old stuff from the beds over there are in here. Now, what I want to show you is right here. That's a corn. Corn. There's a bunch of them in here. Look at this. Corn. Yeah. Didn't expect that. But I did go out, as we call it, to the back 40, way out yonder, and tree line. Went to the backyard, picked stuff up, and came back with leaves, branches, you know, And the cardboard that I had over here in the bag, I already started spreading in here. So now I'm gonna finish with the cardboard, put my homemade backyard compost in. See, more corn again. I'm just gonna leave them in there. If they grow, they grow. Put that in, and then start shoveling dirt from the boxes in. And we'll see how great this lawnmower mulch does. Like my little itty bitty, you know, if it was a pistol throwaway mower, that's what I use. Let me get this compost in there, get the dirt, and we keep rolling. Alright, we're at a stopping point for today. I'm gonna need help moving these 3. 1, 2, 3 over here to dump them out. But what I'm going to do right now is pick the fullest one, which would be this one, and see how many stay green bags it takes to top it off. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I can calculate how many more bags I need to fill the beds up. All right. Oh, ba, 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 ba. Two bags. We're gonna have a problem with one of these because this bed is only halfway full, but it's okay. So let's start off with 3. I have 4 over here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I already have 4, so I need 6 more bags. No, 7, because one of these is going to take 3 bags. But hey, just love when a plan works out. Like, have faith, just have faith. That's all I'm doing. But yeah, I gotta go get ready, grab my 2 minions and head off. But we will continue this on Sunday. All right.